All right, good morning, everyone, and welcome to the routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina, covering the period from today, December 13th, through Sunday, December 19th. I'm meteorologist James Danko, and first we'll take a look at the upcoming weather pattern for the next week. So really looking very quiet through Friday with high pressure in control, dry weather, sunny skies, increasing clouds as we get later into the week, but staying dry. By late Saturday or Sunday, a cold front will move through the area, and it will bring at least a chance of some rain. But that's really the only precipitation that we're expecting for the next week. And as far as temperatures, as high pressure moves to our east, southerly flow will bring really warm temperatures to the area from Thursday through Saturday, with highs in the 60s and 70s. And then turning sharply colder behind the front on Sunday, but still really near normal temperatures by then. So looking at the rainfall forecast amounts for the next week, no precipitation is expected again through Friday. A cold front will bring a chance of rain this weekend, but the forecast amounts are only in the quarter to half inch range at most at this time. No severe thunderstorms or really any thunderstorms of any kind are expected across central North Carolina for the next several days. And that is also true for any kind of flash flooding. We're not expecting any risk of that for the next several days. What we are looking at, unfortunately, is the drought, and that's really the main really the only story for the next week of any significance. So the latest drought monitor, which was released on Thursday, has nearly the entire state of North Carolina, almost 99%, in at least a D0 abnormally dry category. And nearly 80% is in at least a moderate drought, D1, and over half the state now, 51%, is in a severe drought. And for central North Carolina, you can see now, compared to the previous week, the entire area is covered in moderate or severe drought, with the north in moderate drought and southern and eastern parts of the area in a severe drought. Now, there was some rain on Saturday, so you can see Greensboro, as a cold front came through on Saturday, had nearly 3/4 of an inch of rain. Raleigh, 0.41, Fayetteville, only 0.17. So unfortunately, the areas that most needed the rain in the south were the areas that got the least, only around 1/10 to 1/4 inch. But the northern Piedmont did receive around half to 3/4 of an inch in some areas. So that helped, but it still was not a drought buster by any means. And looking at the 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, you can see above normal temperatures are expected, and at least right now it's looking like we may actually have some at least increased chances of above normal precipitation during that period. So that's some welcome news. So to summarize, high pressure will bring dry weather to our area through the end of the week, with a cold front moving through late Saturday or Sunday, bringing a chance of some rain Again, not looking like very heavy amounts at this time. And warming temperatures late week into Saturday with highs in the 60s and 70s, and then turning much colder behind the front on Sunday. And really the only hazards and impacts to speak of for the next week are the drought, and unfortunately the dry weather through Friday will not help the situation. And while any rainfall this weekend will be welcome, it is not expected to be a drought buster. And otherwise, no significant hazards are expected for central North Carolina in the next 7 days. All right, does anyone have any questions?